We got the new rigid deals just dropped. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yes, guys. So the new rigid deals dropped. We're gonna be showing you that, some clearance, and we're shopping at the Home Depot. So we're gonna start here. They still got these deals. I know there've been a lot of hacks lately with these tools and the bare tools that you can get a nice discount on it. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, because every time something drops, I do post SAP, because they do fix it or they do sell out. All right, so you got the 14-inch 61cc gas power cutter, $8.99 Makita. This is something I don't see every day. That's what I show you guys. Sometimes they don't have those bigger tools. You got $19.99. These are actually not too bad. You got the Diablo Universal Fit Carbide Oscillating Blade. Not something you see every day. You got a safety vest for $29.97. You got some safety glasses, $19.97, pack of 3. Alright, so you got this nice toolbox. This is a really nice toolbox, $10.98. Yes, it's kind of expensive. It's okay quality. It does have a lot of features on it. I really like the USBs and all that stuff that it has. I really like the colors, the rubber stops on the corners, the soft close, and it does come with rubber liners. And it does have a nice work surface that you can put your laptop or whatever you're doing. So overall, it's pretty nice. I think it's a little pricey still. $29.97 for the 325 Lumen Lights. This is battery operated, by the way. So it says battery is 325 lumen, and that's an example. It's actually pretty bright. So, and it's not the white. It's kind of like the sunlight type of white. And then they still got these and they got the one kit here. So whoever's gonna get this is gonna get the deal, the $199, and you get yourself a free. I don't know if they're still doing this deal or not, but that's what they have here. They have this here. So, all right. So we got the what is that? Compact drill driver for $129. You got the Shockwave 60 piece there for $39, and then they got this Husky 41-inch 16 drawer for $649. It's actually not too bad. I've been impressed, very impressed with these boxes. They stepped it up in quality. However, this is not top of the line. I believe this is just the normal, the beginner entry level type of box. There are some really nice ones, heavy duty boxes, professional level boxes. But yeah, overall, I think these are fairly decent, fairly good. Now this is one of the more professional ones that they have. It's $12.98. This is a 72-inch, 24 in depth, 39 in height, 2,500 pound capacity. They do have the soft close, the stainless top, and that is not scratched. That was just the cover. All right, so they got the BOGO deals. $3.99 get you that 4-tool combo kit. Get you 2 free tools. You buy the $2.49, you get yourself 1 free tool. You can choose from the 2 batteries, the 100 reciprocating saw, the Bluetooth radio, or the radio, circular saw, oscillating tool. Got the caulk gun with a reciprocating saw. You got the multi-material saw, the sander, and that panel light's really nice. You got the drywall cutout tool and the job site blower. Yeah, these are some of the tools that you guys can get. So this is a 7 1/4 circular saw. You can get the reciprocating saw. You can get the drywall cutout tool and the 100 reciprocating saw. So you guys do see there, those are the prices for those in case you guys want to buy them separately. You got the 2-pack of the batteries, the 4 amp hour batteries, valued at $189. It's actually not a bad deal there. Well, not if you're getting the batteries for free, obviously. So all right, we got the drill driver here. It's a 1/2-inch drill driver, $119. That is the kit. You got a 2-pack of batteries, 2 amp hour batteries, $139. You got a 4 amp hour battery starter kit. All right, so you got a compressor for $269. It's a 6-gallon compressor. You got the brushless brad nailer, 2 1/8 brad nailer, $169. It is battery powered, so 18-volt powered. And that is the compressor there. I believe that's 6-gallon for $129. But if you want to buy the whole kit, I believe it's the other price. All right, guys. These are the new deals that they got going on from Rigid. So $159 will get you a drill driver and a circular saw. That's actually a pretty good deal. 2 combo kit. You got a 4 and a 2. So you're getting a 4 and a 2, a big battery, small battery, charger, and a bag. That's actually not a bad deal if, you know, starting to get into this line. $139, you're going to get the 2 combo kit. Like I said, not bad deals. These are not bad tools at all. They do make the Milwaukee line, this brand, and Ryobi, Rigid, and Milwaukee. They do make, they're owned by the same company, TTI. You got $99, your choice here. 6 amp hour battery. You got a jigsaw router, the panel light, the multi-tool. So you can choose from any of those for 99 bucks. It's actually not too bad. You got a 6 amp hour battery. So that's the reciprocating, or the jigsaw and the router. You got the panel light. That's really nice. That's really nice. This is 3,500 lumen. You got the oscillating tool, multi-tool. Alright guys, these are the new deals that dropped, or one of the better deals. So you buy that $199 combo kit with subcompact 2 tool combo kit. You get a free tool, or you can get the brushless half-inch drill for $149 and get yourself a free tool. Right now, as you guys did notice, that I did put lower, better deals online. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. With all these deals drop. The drill was actually down to $99, but it went up. And same thing with the other one, the 2 combo kit was down to, I believe, $119 or something like that. So guys, make sure you, or $149, my bad, $149. It was $149. You get yourself a free tool. So 3 tools for $149, killer deal. But yeah, unfortunately, I don't know if it's still up by the time this video goes up or not. But make sure you guys stay subscribed when those deals drop. So you got the cutout tool, the 3-inch cutout tool, a multi-material tool, and then you got the one-handed reciprocating saw, which is really nice. And then you got the circular saw, you got the right angle drill. That's a circular saw. And then you got the 2 tool combo kit. So pretty nice deals. Those are all brushless tools, so just keep that in mind. $59, $59.97 for the 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum. And then you got the $69 for the cooler, the cold box that they call it. It is compatible with the rigid, modular storage system. So that's the way it looks on the inside, the cold box there. It's pretty nice, pretty rugged. Down from $79, so saving yourself $10 there. And then you got the tote here, or the crate, milk crate, for the same line. And that's all they had. They had a few other boxes laying around, but that's pretty much what they had. So you got $24.97 for this 4.5. These are like diamond wheels, turbo cut, or for concrete and tile and all that stuff, stone. So you got the buy one get one free steel from Makita. These are steel solid deals, especially that X-Lock. After the hack, that's a really good deal on that one. So $24.88 for the 36 max fit screwdriver and set with the angle, right angle. The right angle by itself is still over $20. This is definitely a deal to get. It's one of the better deals out here. Alright, so we found this. This is a 4-cycle 18-inch straight shaft string trimmer. You got $224 down from $249. Alright, you got the Ryobi 8-inch electric pole saw, $125 down from $139. Actually, not too bad of a deal. And then you got the shears trimmer tool only, $139 Makita. I believe this is the clearance section. You got the Whisper Series 40 volts tool only, $129 down from $149. So you do need to buy a battery and charger separately. You got electrostatic sprayer, half a gallon, $149. And then you got the blower, $189. I don't know if this is the kit or not. It looks like it is. So make sure you guys read the box before you buy those. Alright, so you got, this is a really good deal. It's $404. I'm waiting for it to drop because I see these all in all the stores. Alright, you got the John Deere here. Here's the tractor. I just was curious about the price, so it's $23.99. 17 horsepower. It's the S100, 42 inch. It looks really nice. A little pricey though. Same thing with this. This is the Ryobi. It's 30 inch, a 50 amp hour battery, electric mower. And then you got the zero turn with no tags whatsoever. So we just had a storm here. It might have flew off. Alright, so we got another clearance section here. So it's $180 off from $199. So 20 volts drill driver with the 5 amp hour battery. So guys, make sure you guys double check the prices with the associates, because sometimes they'll drop. They'll be like really low, like crazy low, and these stickers will still say this price. So make sure you guys double check those prices. You got a combo here. It's actually a pretty nice combo. It's a special value. These things drop in price like crazy, so make sure you guys double check with your associates if you guys see them at the stores. You got this one for $36 off from $44. It's an impact wrench. And then you got a die grinder, a 1/4 inch die grinder. That's $60 down from $119. And you got some gloves here. It's the Grease Monkey gloves, medium size. These actually look pretty nice. $16.06 down from $20.97. Alright, we got a compact design, 3/8 pin nailer. I believe this one did not have a price. You got some knee pads here, $15.06 down from $19.97. You got these for $34 down from $44.97. So and then we got a true coat, 360, $206 down from $274. So a few bucks off on this one. We got these are really nice professional joint knife, 3-piece set, 19. So around 19 bucks. That's actually just under 20 bucks. Not too bad. 6 inch. You got different sizes. So definitely check it out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. I do have some more videos coming up throughout the weekend. Some shorter videos. Somebody asked me to do some special videos, so I will be doing those. Guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And this is a floor cleaner, by the way.